months that we shared, now the page is bare and the story goes on. All the months that we shared, now the page is bare and the story goes on. By September with sunshine like it's cashmere, soft on the surface, easier to reach than she appears. She hates New York and LA, both ends of the same candle, burying both ends of her career. She wonders, would you want her if you could see the scars? She ponders what she did wrong and why she's so unbelievably hard
to love. She wishes she was someone you could love, a version of her, someone that you love. She wishes she was someone you could love, someone you could love. April showers at the table, spring's a leak, I have to get the waiter to come up the floor. For hours she explains all the ways she's done me wrong, and I get that she could do with more.
and she wonders, would you want her if you could see the scars? And she ponders what she did wrong and why she's so unbelievably hard
To love, she wishes she was someone you could love, a version of her, someone that you love. She wishes she was someone you could love, someone you could love.
You were hiding in the glove box when we were 17. Broke the law of California on a dark street.
And the night was ours, but you weren't mine. Your girlfriend called, and you left to tell her goodbye.
And the taste of your lips still in my mouth, but you slipped away like August somehow.
And I watched you fade, but I still loved you now.
getting hard to keep my eyes off you, and it's getting hard to keep it quiet in our room.
And you're getting used to a soft touch, and I wanna get used to being enough.
And the taste of your lips still in my mouth, but you slipped away like August somehow.
And I watched you fade, but I still loved you now. The days getting shorter
Since August somehow. I wanna wrap myself in sweater, hide out till the weather gets better. I'm waiting on a change of season.
if there was ever a reason. Then you call in. Oh no, you're calling.
I don't know how you always do this to me. Here I am, talking to you again in December.
How you always do this to me. Here I am, talking to you again in December.
This feels like it was planned.